So unloading filament on the MMU is a little bit time consuming, sort of just like loading it, but you'll want to go into the menu. Going to go down to a setting called Eject Filament. So select that. We're using PLA. It's got to preheat once again to 215. So once you're preheated, it will ask you which filament you would like to eject. So I know I've got number 2 loaded. So I'm going to eject number 2. So you can see the filament come out. So what we're actually looking for is on the end of the filament itself. You can kind of see there's a bit of a blob and some other texture. So we want to cut that off so that slides through the MMU easily. So we snip that, and then I'll be able to pull that back just a touch. So usually I like to get it about there. And then it's just going to ask me to please remove filament and then press the knob. So I'm going to press this knob, and that filament gets sucked back into the printer, and we're good to go. So now I should just be able to take my spool and start rolling that filament back up, and it should start to pull itself out of the buffer and out of the tubes through the MMU. Oh, you can see that just popped into the buffer, and it'll probably pop out of this tube soon. There we go. So once you have your end out, like always, you want to secure it to your spool so it does not get tangled. So I'm just putting it through those 2 holes, like so, and then we're good to go. So that's unloading material on the MMU.